Hello and welcome back to How It's Done. In today's booming market, which is valued at millions of dollars, the production of croissants are reaching new heights of efficiency and precision, thanks to cutting-edge technology and automation. Modern factories are capable of producing large quantities of croissants daily, ensuring consistency in quality and meeting the high demands of consumers. The dough preparation process. The journey of croissant production begins with the careful measurement and combination of key ingredients, such as flour, sugar, salt, yeast, butter, and water. These ingredients are mixed in industrial-sized mixers specifically designed to handle massive batches. These mixers are equipped with powerful motors and robust mechanisms that thoroughly blend the ingredients, resulting in a dough with a uniform consistency. The mixing process is meticulously controlled, with parameters such as time and speed precisely adjusted to achieve the desired dough texture and elasticity, which are crucial for creating high-quality croissants. Rolling and folding the dough. After mixing, the dough undergoes a critical process of rolling and folding, essential for creating the flaky layers that characterize croissants. This stage is facilitated by industrial dough sheeters, which efficiently roll the dough into thin, consistent sheets. These machines are specifically designed to handle large volumes of dough, ensuring high productivity levels in the factory setting. With precision rollers and adjustable settings, the dough sheeters maintain uniform thickness throughout the dough, which guarantees consistency in the final product. The flexibility of dough sheeters allows the thickness of the dough to be adjusted according to the specific recipe requirements. By employing these machines, factories can streamline the rolling process while achieving the precise texture and layering necessary for producing premium quality croissants on a large scale. Once the dough sheets are rolled out, they are guided through rotating blades that meticulously trim their edges, ensuring clean and uniform sides. This meticulous side cutting not only enhances the appearance of the final product, but also facilitates the consistent sizing and shaping in the subsequent steps. Shaping and filling croissants. In the next stage, specialized machines equipped with cutting tools further refine the dough by slicing into triangular shapes, which are essential for forming the classic croissant shape. These triangular dough pieces are then passed through a machine equipped with a small moving injector. These injectors are designed to dispense various fillings, such as chocolate, cream, or fruit jams, into the center of each dough piece as it moves along the production line. The filling injected into the dough can vary, offering a range of sweet options to appeal to different consumer tastes. To initiate the rolling process, a rotating blade gently lifts and curls the edges of the dough. Simultaneously, a soft material, typically made of food-grade plastic or silicone, is placed over the dough pieces to maintain rolling momentum and prevent sticking to the conveyor belt. This combination of rotating blade and soft material guides the dough into the characteristic crescent shape of croissants as it passes through the machine. As the rolled dough pieces advance along the production line, they encounter rotating wheels or side rollers that apply gentle pressure to bend and efficiently shape the croissants into the desired form. In advanced facilities, this shaping process may be handled by automated robotic arms equipped with grippers or paddles. These robotic arms lift and manipulate the dough pieces with precision, ensuring uniformity in shape and appearance across all croissants produced. Enhancing dough with colors and flavors. Factories also employ several methods to introduce alternative colors and flavors to the dough, providing a diverse range of choice to consumers. One option is to add ingredients directly to the dough, such as cocoa powder or melted chocolate for chocolate croissants. Natural colors like fruit juices, vegetable extracts, or spices can also be used to create colorful variations. Additionally, some factories may sprinkle chocolate bits, nuts, seeds, or sugar crystals over the croissants to add texture and enhance flavor. Baking the croissants. Once the croissants are shaped, they are placed on large trays designed for fast, large-scale baking. These trays feature shaped holes that securely hold each croissant, ensuring they maintain their form during the baking process. The trays are then transported through the section of the factory that houses the massive ovens. These ovens are equipped with advanced rolling and rotating systems specifically designed to accommodate the large trays. As the trays move through the oven, the rolling and rotating mechanisms ensure even baking and consistent heat distribution, resulting in perfectly golden brown croissants with a flaky texture. The controlled movement of the trays within the oven optimizes the baking process, allowing for the efficient production of high volumes of croissants while maintaining quality standards. This step is critical in achieving the desired texture and flavor and the consumers expect from premium croissants. Sorting and handling with automation. After baking, the automation continues with the use of intelligent robotic arms for sorting and handling the freshly baked croissants. These robotic arms are equipped with advanced vision systems and machine learning algorithms that enable them to accurately identify and select thousands of croissants from the conveyor belt. By analyzing various parameters such as size, shape, color, and texture, the robotic arms determine the optimal grouping of croissants for packaging. This ensures consistency and appearance across each batch, maintaining the uniformity and aesthetic appeal of the final product. Once sorted, the croissants are transferred onto different conveyor lines based on their characteristics, ensuring efficient distribution for packaging. In some production lines, the automation extends further, with the incorporation of flavor injection systems for baked croissants. These systems utilize specialized equipment equipped with precision tools capable of making small holes in the sides of the croissants without compromising their structure or appearance. The holes serve as entry points for injecting flavorful fillings in the baked croissants, adding another layer of customization to the product. Packaging and distribution. The final stage of croissant production involves packaging, where specialized machinery is employed to automatically wrap the croissants in plastic. Typically, this process involves high-speed flow wrapping machines designed to handle the rapid packaging of individual croissants. These machines feature conveyor belts that transport the freshly baked croissants into the packaging area, where they are then automatically fed into the wrapping machine. Inside the machine, a continuous roll of plastic film is unwound and formed into a tube around the croissants as they move along the conveyor belt. The film is then sealed and cut to size around each croissant, creating tightly wrapped packages. Automated sensors ensure precise positioning and sealing of the plastic film around the croissants, maintaining the freshness and quality of the product. Some advanced packaging machines may also incorporate features such as gas flushing or vacuum sealing to extend the shelf life of the croissants by removing oxygen from the packaging or introducing inert gases. Finally, automated robotic arms take charge of handling the packaged croissants and preparing them for distribution. These large-scale robots are equipped with sophisticated sensors and precision grippers to efficiently pick up the packaged croissants from the conveyor belt and place them into carton boxes. As the conveyor belts carry the wrapped croissants to the packaging area, the robotic arms swiftly identify and grasp each product using their advanced vision system. With precision and speed, the robotic arms carefully place the croissants into predetermined positions within the carton boxes, ensuring optimal use of space and minimizing wastage. The automation and precision involved in modern croissant production are key to meeting consumer demand with consistency and efficiency. From the initial dough mixing to the final packaging, every step of the process is meticulously controlled to ensure that each croissant meets high standards of quality and taste. The use of advanced machinery and robotics not only enhances productivity, but also allows for the production of a diverse range of croissants, catering to different consumer preferences. As technology continues to evolve, the production of croissants and other baked goods will likely become even more efficient and versatile, further driving growth in the booming market.